What if I told you that you can create amazing AI images for free? Today, I'll show you exactly how to do it with Leonardo AI. Let's get started. Open Google Chrome. Search for Leonardo AI. Open the official Leonardo AI website. Click Start. Click Sign In. Choose Continue with Google. Select the Google account you want to use for signing in. After a few seconds, you'll be logged in to Leonardo AI. You're now on the Leonardo AI dashboard. Click Image from the left menu. Paste your prompt into the prompt box. If you don't have a prompt, create one with ChatGPT. Describe the image you want, then copy the prompt. Paste it into Leonardo AI. Now select the image size. Choose 16 by 9. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds while Leonardo AI creates your image. Your first AI image is now ready. Move your cursor over the image. Click the download icon. Open the downloaded image. As you can see, the image is high quality. There's no watermark. Now, let's create another image. Replace the previous prompt with a new one. Keep the image size set to 16 by 9. Click Generate. Wait a few seconds. Your second image is now ready. Download it the same way. That's how easy it is to create AI images with Leonardo AI. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to ZUBEXA for more AI tutorials. See you in the next video.